So hello friends, today in this video we will learn comparison of adjectives. Okay, so let's start. So have you ever thought what are these words? Let me know in the comments. Tallest. You might say that tall is an adjective, but is tallest also an adjective? Or if you talk about another one, so taller, is it an adjective? Answer me in the comments below. So these are adjectives, but you notice what, that we are comparing each others. Like so, there are 3 trees. So this is big. Okay, this is simple. You can say this is big. But now, why can't we say that it is also big? Yes, we can say, but we want to compare these both. So what we do? Yes, taller. This tree is taller than this, but why can't we use tallest? So these answers we will know in this video, so keep watching till end to know the answers. So first let's start with the starting. So we can compare these one. So these are comparison of adjectives. So there are 3 degrees we need to remember. First is positive degree. It is the simple. It is not compulsory to remember. It is just tall. It is the positive degree. Next comes comparative. This taller degree is comparative because it is comparing a 1, so it is called comparative. Okay, and this one is superlative. Why? Because it compares 2 or more than. The biggest one means the most. So one it means most, and this means more. So you can remember it like this. And tall is the normal called positive degree. So we use comparative degree to compare only one thing. But if we are comparing to two or by 2 or the most 3 more 2 or more, then we use this superlative degree. If you have any doubt, so ask in the comments below. So now we understand that here will be used taller, not tallest. So we can understand it now. So we understand it, but the video is not finished yet because we have to remember some rules also. Some rules. So let's start with the first one, that is very common. The comparative degree we use with er. We add er it to it, and comparative degree er, and we add est to our superlative degree. This is the most common, but not in each. For example, big. So in the big one, we can't write it like this, big, biggest. We will write the G double times. So let's move on to this rule. So if your word ends with a consonant, and before that consonant there is a vowel, and before that vowel there is again a consonant, then you will double the last consonant and add est then. So this is the rule you need to remember. The easiest way to remember is CVC, C plus V plus C. Next comes is some end with E. Some end with E. So we all add R only. Why? Because this E is already added, so we only need to add. Similarly, we add ST to superlative degree. Simple. And next comes, in some sentences we don't follow the rules. They change. One more thing is, if the word means positive degree is ending with I, then Y, then you just remove the Y, and instead of Y you add I, E and R to the comparative, and I est to the superlative. Simple, replace y with I and add the similar rule that I told here in the first rule. So the next rule is, if the positive degree is ending with two or more syllable means vowel sound, not vowel, it is vowel sound that I told in the articles video. That link will be on 5:30 or in the description below. So next thing comes is that some change their spelling. For example, good, better, and best. Another example is bad, worst. So these are some examples. Hope you enjoyed the video. So bye friends.